Alright, hello YouTube. So today, 1 hour ago, Genshin put out a developer discussion. We'll go through it and see what it is. But before, let's talk about a little bit of. They've been edging us with artifact loadouts for the past two discussions. Basically, when they added the function of like you quickly detecting the artifacts, and it will a suggestion based on what you selected. It's not a loadout basically, and they later made improvement to it saying it's like a loadout kind of. But yeah, that's was basic kind of design. You know how what you say, loadout can help you a lot for some certain characters there is a lot of characters in Genshin, and you the latest example we have is for like Mapika. You can use DPS and as a support with two different sets for DPS and support. And of course, there are lot of other characters. For example, like Raiden, you can use that in Hyper Bloom and in DPS. So changing the artifacts just take a lot out of everyone. It's like really annoying. So if there was a loadout, that would really help everyone, and it will also increase the fun of the game because you can try out different builds with one click of a button after just optimizing one time. Yeah, that will definitely be good, but they're not adding it. Anyways, and with this one, it seems like they're edging us with a skip button. I've already seen some posts here, so I know it's not a click like a skip button, but does say one click time skip for quest. That does sound like a skip button, right? But they're literally edging us with a skip button. I don't know what to say here. Dive into it and see what this is basically. Let's get into it. This is where it starts. Okay. One click time skip for quests and video demos for character talents. Okay, making it easier for travelers to complete quests, gain clear understanding of the character talents. All right, let's get into it. For quests, wait until this time for the next day. Open the clock and adjust the pointer off by a few minutes. All right. Not anymore. Starting in version 5.8, you can simply click to navigate to the quest object and automatically jump to the required time. Yeah, so this is what they called one click time skip for quest. I mean, why would you name it like that? It screams like a skip button, man. Everyone will freak out about the skip button and then be disappointed. Like, if they're not adding it, that's a different thing. Like, they're not adding it, so why are they edging us? Like, you know what I mean? Let me know what you think in the comments. But yeah, it's like literally edging us about the skip button now. After the artifact loadouts, shenanigans, and stuff. So yeah, squad spans more than 2 days. Just click to navigate again and keep auto advancing to the target. Yeah, so we just have to change the time again. That's nothing, man. It's like not really. I mean, it's a little bit more comfortable to the quest, but it wasn't that big of a game breaking thing that you need to fix. I think adding a skip button or a loadout is more important than. But anyways, the next one, flexible adjustments. Audio settings shortcuts added to dialogue interface. Okay, yeah, this is actually a good one in my opinion. This is actually a huge one. I like this one quite a bit. But that they don't only need to add this. They need to add another thing, which is the language changes. They should add the language change in this dialogue interface as well, so that you can freely choose from any of the languages, voice languages, Japanese, English, Korean, or Chinese. So yeah, it says basically because before starting the quest, if you forgot to change the voice settings, if you have the game, but I recommend you always have the game non-muted, and you can mute the app itself. In like if you are on a PC, you can have the mute the app, or if you are on a phone, you can do the same as well. Keep the in-game stuff there, then you won't. But now that it's here, it's not right. You'll be don't worry. After 5.8, you'll be able to access audio settings during quest dialogues. Adjust the volume balance anytime. Oh, I like actually I actually like this. It's not the main one for me. I want to have the voice over, like voice language change option there, because let's say you like playing the game in Japan and you like doing the quests in English. So before starting the quest, you would need to remember to change to English, right? But forget, you have to like wait for the cutscene to. Let's see the next one then. World exploration. Material tracking, local spaces. So many companions is getting hard to remember. Can help track down local. Notice in the new version, the material tracking interface will display character icons for those who can get local facilities. So check and see which companion can lend a hand. I don't mind this. It's actually good. Sometimes I myself forget who can track it, but it's not a big deal for me. It's mainly for new players and players that as much might forget who has that ability. I never forget this because yeah, it's like not that hard to remember. Yeah, it's still helpful for people who can't remember, and it's understandable. If I don't farm for a long time for any new characters, I would forget. The next one then, Oculus Resonance Stone, get more flexibility in correcting offline. Okay, that in version 5.8. If you already marked one Oculus, consume another Oculus, mark a new location. Can't find no matter how long you try checking. I do not understand. Starting from already marked one, consume the Oculus phone. Oh, it's about the gadget. Okay, I thought it's like about like marking in map. It's about the gadget. So if you use the gadget of the to find the Oculus one time, which you can craft, the new one, the old one will disappear. But now it will not disappear. Basically, okay, that's a nice quality of life. Okay, let's see the artifact now. Are they aging us again, man? Like at a glance, special markers added for our character, compatible artifact. Artifacts recommend. Self travelers select a suitable artifact for their characters easily. After version, when a fully leveled 5-star artifact has a highlighted main affix and a certain number of highlighted minor affixes, it will be marked with this icon in the character artifact menu. It can be disabled in the regular artifacts. The recommend. I think that's the highlight there. Not that big of a deal, man. They don't need to add stuff like this. Just add a loadout function. We don't need all this. Them to the low artifact. Like I don't even know what to call it, man. It's like garbage. Literally, not helpful. It's just recommended artifacts. They keep edging us with stuff, and they keep improving this, and it will never be better than a loadout. It will never be better. In like in no reality, it will be better than add a loadout. This is another time, another like edging based test run and character talents. I think okay. I think if they add like how they started doing big changes in like the point 0 updates. So for example, in like 5.0, we got so many new. So they might like this developer interview. By the way, this all this stuff will be done in 5.8 version as well. It's in Friday in 2 days and 18th of July. But I think in the 6.0 live stream, they might do a lot of stuff as well. So maybe they announce a loadout there or a skip button there was get more hype, right? The 6.0 in the point 2 updates, they started doing 5.0, started adding a lot more functions, features, and a lot more changes, things. So yeah, we're gonna have to just wait and see just one patch, right? Very excited for nodkrai as well. Test run and the character talents, combat talent demo added, talent description, and okay, your guide type, I think. Right, okay. Starting in new version, travelers can quickly view combat talent demos for characters released in version 5. Later via this feature in the test run interface or the talent demo on the character talent page. Before damage deal after. Before it just shows the character. Now what the damage deal and it shows the gameplay. I think. I mean, okay, so it's just a little bit of video interface of showing you what the character is and how the you are playing the character. And for this from this example, it didn't really show much. Yeah, from this example, it did not. Yeah, just see going and doing the ultimate after you. It's really so using her elemental skill. Kirk will obtain a fix. Yeah, it's just showing how you burst. No, no, man, it's not that crazy. I don't think you new stuff like this adding. It's like not a big deal, but they do need to work on the main things that they are teasing, man. Like for example, a skip button and a loadout. Basically, what is this? Yeah, so this interview is not really that crazy to be honest. The only good thing, in my opinion, the only good thing they added is like this function, which is like half of what I wanted. I also want the like the language to change as well, like language change feature in the quest menu as well when you quest. So that's like half point. Get another half basically. I love that. They were definitely not the biggest of the new phase. If you're watching this, subscribe and thank you for watching. And I'll see you on the 18th in next video for might be the next video I might make. I might just make a new Abyss one today. The Abyss just. But yeah, the live stream is coming up as well on the 18th. I'll see you then and make sure to subscribe for that. And I'll see you on the next.